Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Make sure the Acer Android TV is on, remote has fresh batteries, and network is stable so updates won't fail. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences to find Reset options. This is where you control data wipe versus system restore. Back up any accounts or note passwords because a factory reset removes personal data. Once ready, select the specific reset type, Factory Data Reset for full wipe, and prepare to confirm the action when prompted. Now, choose Factory Data Reset and follow the on-screen confirmation steps. You'll see warnings about data loss, so read them and press Confirm. The TV will begin erasing user data and apps. Do not unplug or interrupt power because partial resets can brick firmware. The reset can take several minutes. Once complete, the device automatically reboots into the initial setup flow. Make sure to allow any automatic system updates to finish before continuing to next steps. After reboot, you'll walk through initial setup. Set language, connect Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and sign into your Google account to restore apps. If remote pairing fails, use the TV's physical buttons or a USB keyboard to complete setup. If the TV won't boot or get stuck, perform a hard power cycle by unplugging for 30 seconds then plug back in. If problems persist, try the recovery menu by holding the Reset or HDMI CEC button during boot, and contact Acer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.